In this video, I'll be showcasing how to use Llama Coder, which is an AI tool that you can create small apps with it, not complex ones. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the app name, Llama Coder, and you can also access to its GitHub repo, and you can also use it locally as well. Like there are already instruction for that, and yeah. So now we can try to, you don't use it like I will use it in my browser. So the first prompt that I want to try is, I already wrote it in this in advance. So we want to design a to-do list. And I also had a few other stuff as well, like the feature that you should have, like for instance, adding a new task, deleting it, and editing the task. So yeah, let's get started. So I will I'll copy this prompt, and I'll go ahead and paste it right there. And yeah, so it also has its different models that you can use, like Llama 3.1, and there's also other few versions you can use, but I prefer to use the latest version, which is Llama 3.1. And now it might take a little time to complete the app. Perfect. So this is our to-do list. From here we can add a new task, and let's say, what is the task? I already wrote some tasks in advance. So for instance, let's say buy grocery. I'll just copy and paste it right there. And here I can add like work, personal, or shopping. I would add the shopping category, and I can prioritize, like give a priority to it, or give a due date to it. So let's say it's my priority to do it, for instance. And after that, I think I will click on the plus sign, and this is my grocery. Perfect. And by clicking this, it will show up if it's completed or not. I can edit it as well. Amazing. So you can, like, if you want to change stuff after your first prompt, you can do it from here. So for instance, let's say change the design, or change the color of change the colors. So for instance, perfect. So they change the colors. Now I have a different color, and I can add a new task. For instance, let's say personal, and I would, okay, amazing. I can delete it. And they also change the interface as well, like the way it was before is a little bit different from this one. So it's the first app that we created. Now we're gonna do the second one. So for the second one, I wanna build like a calculator app. So I will go ahead and paste it right there. And again, here we can use different model. So I'll keep the same. And I will take this for now. And yeah, let's go for it. Very good. So this is my app. That's fast. That was very fast. So 5 times 5 equal to 25. So it works perfectly.